Good afternoon. We're so excited to have you here. Welcome to the check-in counter for your big moving day trip to Primrose. There is so much to look forward to, but first, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Debbie with the Incorporated, and I'm Tommy. The two of us are already living on Primrose. We're there to support everyone, including you. Think of us as your partners. We're in it for the long haul. So let's get started, shall we? Now let's walk through the steps to get you moved onto the island. First step is checking your application. Is this your first time applying for one of our packages? Removing. Understood. You're moving off your previous Animal Crossing New Horizons island, which was pretty straight, and it was a great place. We had all of our perfect animals, and we came here. Yeah, that's great. Great. Before we continue, are you also considering transferring users between Nintendo Switch systems? If so, you should complete that transfer device, selecting transfer your user data and system settings. We have it help process your move once that step is complete. I understand. I'd be happy to help you with your move then. Have you already sent a transfer request from the Nintendo Switch? Has your current ID? Yes? Alright, let's wait a little island. Have you seen a transfer request? If it's out there, then please select the first to start processing. Now then, we'll need to look up your application. Can you have your name and birthday? Hang on a second. Dr. Shepard, let's see. Oh, yes, here you are. Our next step will be to take a picture of you, Dr. Shepard. Oh, don't worry, take as much time as you need to get yourself looking the way you want. We'll be ready when you are. There you go. Great! You're all set. I'll have to go ahead and add the picture to your records. That concludes everything we need to do from here. Don't worry, we'll give you an in-depth overview on island life. We're back on the ground. Your attention, please. This is a service announcement. The charter flight to Primrose is ready for boarding. Any customers wanting to board should make their way to the gate at this time. Ah, perfect timing. Come on, let's go on board to plan together. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Thank you for taking this charter flight, Primrose. Please sit back and relax. Enjoy free doing the desire to get away package. Thank you very much. Taking a while, isn't it? Yes! But don't worry, we got our stuff set up and ready to go. And Wilbur was a great flight pilot today. Welcome to Primrose. I hope you enjoy your flight. Would you please join us for a short orientation session? As though we get a person to our hate if we get to miss it. And then I got Dr. Shepard here. Yes, very good. Even though he doesn't look anything like the real Dr. Shepard. Hello, you're our new resident, Dr. Shepard. Welcome to Primrose. I'm Todd Nook, manager, designer, and president and CEO of Nook Incorporated. Now, originally, this was a deserted island, so Nook Incorporated offered a deserted island getaway package. We're a lot less deserted now, but we still accept new residents. Now, if only you can find that troublesome Doc Rabbit. And Dr. Shepard is the battle where you rest your sleepy head at night. Here's a tent. There, a little comfort item for you. And I'm terribly sorry, but due to the slight outbreak, sir, looks like we weren't able to prepare a place for you to live yet. If you could, take a look around, set up a tent wherever you like. That shouldn't be a problem, right? After all, it is keeping with our original deserted island theme, even though we ain't doing that anymore. Something else you need as well. Here's a phone. Very own new phone. I had these made especially for island residents. I want to make sure it's working right, so could you try to turn it on for me? There you go, Bubba. That's good and ready to go. Yes, sir. Got all the apps good already. We're good enough for you. Good. Look like, again, good reception as well. Okay, feel free to put it away. Say, Dr. Shepard, have you ever used a smartphone before? Yeah. Very good, and it should be a breeze for you. In fact, these Nook phones are rather easier to operate than ordinary phones. Oh yes, we simply removed most of the features. Yes. There's also a very useful app that contains advice for living here. Normally, this would not be free of charge, but as you're just getting started, consider it an extra bonus. It's called Island Life 101, and it is a message delivery service of sorts. Feel like giving it a try? I don't need it. I especially don't need it. Oh my, you're quite certain. Very certain. Yes, you are. Well, I suppose figuring out your own way around your new surroundings can be fun adventures too. Yes. If you change your mind, you can always get the app later, resident services. And finally, the most important item of all. Here's an itemized bill. Yes, sir. This includes everything: fare, accommodations, labor tax, and of course your phone. Bringing you a grand total modest sum of 49,800 bells. Not like your other half can supply you with that kind of money. Yes, sir. Bells. What? You said what now? Oh no bells? Dr. Shepard, how could you do this to me? It's crazy, honestly. So many of my customers arrive here without two bells to rub together. That's called greedy. Well, no need to worry. I was prepared for exactly this type of tricky situation. For the getaway package, you only pay your fees with miles instead of the standard bells, and then you have to pay me more actual bells when you actually get your house. I call this extremely helpful service the Nook Mileage Program. Mileage? That's kind of extraordinary, if I do say so myself. With the Nook Mileage Program, you can earn miles by simply living your life here in Primrose. I dare say the more you enjoy your island life, the more Nook miles you can earn. I'm not going to do a thing. You what, mate? And you can use them to pay back your moving fees and much more. So then the bottom line is you need 49,800 bells to pay all your moving fees with this new service. Can you believe it? It only comes to 5,000 miles. I'll just go ahead and register so you can pay in miles. Yes, but any more details available within your Nook phone. Just open up the Nook Miles app. You'll see that you earn some miles just for traveling to the island and join the program. Now, I could turn your attention to resident services building behind me, even though it's technically beside me. Delightful Isabel and I are there 24 hours a day. We don't get any sleep at all to support you. So stop by to consult us whenever. Now, if you'll excuse me and us, we'll be getting back to work. We're so happy to have you as a Nook Inc. customer. Yeah. Whatever. From now on, your life here will be automatically recorded via autosave. Congratulations, me. Do not touch the power button when you see the autosave indicator at the top right on the screen corner. You can also save and quit your game after pressing minus. Thank you very much. Now, pardon me, I'm going to go put my tent down. I know exactly where I'm going to live and try to not move the house so often. But if I do, I'm going to have to find a better place for it. I'm living here. Inch off a little bit. That's the spot. Yay, now we just need to pay the miles so we can get the freaking stuff to go and do other stuff like that. You know, stuff. So yeah, hang on a second. Alright, Dr. Shepard in a suit is ready for island life. Welcome. Ow! Dr. Shepard, there you are. You're going to shop. We've got all sorts of furniture and goods. I'm sure you'll find something useful here. You're very proud of our selection. Please take your time and look around. Nothing interests me. I just got things to sell to you guys. Yes, of course. What do you need? Looks like not to sell. Of course. What exactly are you offering? You'll have all the days, considering we're not gonna need them. You're keeping the freaking umbrella, though. Look at all the fine things you brought in today. Allow me a moment to run the numbers. And done. Friday's also used for 24,774.47. That sound good? Sold. Thank you. Please come again. No, before I forget, I wanted to tell you something about the fruit you just sold me. When you eat fruit like fruit, you'll find yourself energized with more power than you might imagine. Does anyone share this with you? What I mean is, you could break open rocks, maybe even dig up a whole tree with a shovel, of course. That's fine if you tell me your fruits, but you should try eating it once in a while too. So, personally, I do not care. Okay, bye. Thank you. Now we will have to learn all the recipes we will be collecting right now. Is that a DIY recipe? I wonder how I can memorize it. That means I gotta go into Tom Nook's resident services building and then go talk to him and then go do other things. So yeah. Don't look at me, Roxy. Dr. Shepard, there you are. Hello. Welcome to Resident Services. This is where we support lives all of island residents. Feel free to chat with me about a lot of life anytime. Around the business, Isabel will be happy to assist you. Yeah, I am. Oh, one more important thing. I'm offering a free DIY workshop to help you really build out your island experience. I think it'll be quite useful, so I do hope you take me up on it. Might as well. See, you discovered my mini DIY workbench. I had to shorten it because this became a counter. Yes, yes. The DIY workshop. Each participant will make and keep their own tools and receive a set of DIY recipes. I think it'll be quite useful for idle life. So, shall I put you down for the next battle session? I love to. Yes, yes, there's an island spare, and I happen to be free right at the very moment, even though we're free all the time. So let's get started. Welcome to my DIY workshop. Oh, I suppose workshop is overselling it a bit. Well, you see how simple it is to DIY or do it yourself. You'll understand what I mean. The basic idea is to gather materials and follow a recipe and then craft using a workbench like this one. So today we'll be constructing a fishing rod using common materials that you can find anywhere. Yes. For this particular recipe, we require a mere 5 tree branches. It is admittedly a little flimsy. Now then, come see me once you've collected the materials. You're wasting my precious time with your silly fishing pole. Might as well. Hey, I'm back. Oh, you're back, are you? Oh, good. Found the necessary materials, did you? Well then, let's get started on crafting that fishing rod, even though you're probably never going to use it. I am never going fishing. Oh well, to begin with, select a project from the workbench and get started. Go ahead and give it a try. Not like you ask my opinion or anything. I made a flimsy fishing rod, yay me. Yes, that was perfect. As you can see, crafting is quite simple, provided you have the correct recipes. And that concludes my free DIY workshop. Oh, this is one last thing. I have a few common DIY recipes for you. Feel free of charge, naturally. Here you go, man. I just need to send it to your flip phone. Would you mind opening it up? Whatever. Alright, send it over there and have that good day. Yeah, good day, mate. Why did I say that? Splendid, thank you. The DIY app is now installed on your phone. You're ready for use anytime. What a way. And for this fish rod you just crafted, yours to keep. I'm so throwing this fishing rod away. You just made that thing, man. What are you talking about? It may not last forever, but should serve you as well as a little, at least. I'm told that the best anglers like to switch up their favorite spots and fish at different times of the day. I suppose it's to catch a large variety of fish. Whatever. I don't have time for this. Bye. That's my opinion. So there you go. Free stuff, doing things, not needing that ever. Now I can learn things. Sweet! I learned a DIY recipe for a wooden block stool, which Pinky so generously gave us in a letter. Wonderful. Now I can learn a simple DIY workbench. Yay! You are so sarcastic when you're playing as this character. Isn't he not supposed to be sarcastic? You're not wrong there, man. And now I gotta collect all my things here. Learn every recipe that is on this ground right now. It's a lot of recipes then. I learned an apple umbrella, a garden rock, water pump, honeycomb wall, tropical vista, summer shell rug, This is gonna be a while, I'll tell you what. Wooden no table. Old bathtub. Even though it doesn't shape a bathtub at all. And you can't even use it. You can use a jungle wall. And a wooden chest. Green leaf pile. What away? There's more to boot up here. Again, I said we're going to learn every one of them on camera right now. Gonna learn a barrel. Okay, learn the barrel. Learn an imperial pot. Box-shaped sheet. Seeds. Muddy floor. Extra long sofa. Jail bars. Stacked wood wall. Bamboo wall decorated. Large cardboard boxes. Oh man, they're still homing in, man. They're gonna freaking charge our island, man. They're gonna freaking stock it too. Wooden stool. Bonsai shelf. Gold bars. Stacked magazines. Cosmo shower. Probably know this one. We're gonna drop it. Build an altar, which we're never gonna build. Rustic stone wall. Light bamboo bath mat. Wooden plank side. Wooden end table. Aroma pot. Wooden music box. Sandy beach floor. Key holder. Classic library wall. Bamboo wand. Repair rug. Golden bunny. Which we need those bunnies. Ironing garden table. Windflower fan. Log dining table. There's a bee in front of me. Tall garden rock. Classic picture. Traditional straw coat. Golden dung beetle. Which is very unlikely we're ever going to build. Shellfish pouch. Or a pouchette. Already learned that. Iron frame. Dead grass backpack. Birdcage. Rocking horse. Already know the gel bars. Skateboard wall rack. Pretty Cosmo 3s. Plate armor. Western style stone. These can get sold. Oh boy. Last few. Did not mean to pick that up, but okay. Long decorative shelves. The buddy's back. Ironwood to wood low table. Backpack we already know. Peach surprise box. Long chair. Lily crown. And that's pretty much it. The rest can get sold. Right. And there you have it. Dr. Shepard Mahogany is just gonna sit here and wait. Okay. So yeah, bye-bye.